In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to access digital magazines using the Flipster app. You need to go to your app store and search for Flipster. So whenever you're looking it up, just look for the blue F and the word Flipster. Since I already have it downloaded, I'm going to go ahead and launch the app. And you're going to see a screen that looks like this one. Select Get Started. Okay, you can either turn this location service on or look it up manually. Okay, so on the top you're going to see New Mexico State University, Carlsbad. Select Login, which is on the right hand side. It's asking for my patron ID. That's actually your banner number. And log in. Okay, right when you log in, you're going to be able to see all of the magazines that are available. I'm going to go ahead and select Discover. If you look at the bottom, you have older issues that you can access as well. So since I want to look at this one, I'm going to select Download. It downloads it to my Flipster shelf. So once your magazine loads, you'll have access to it online and offline. So I'm going to click on Discover, and there's your magazine, and you just kind of swipe from right to left or left to right. If you're done with this one and you want to see another one that you've loaded, on the bottom select My Shelf, and it'll take you back to your magazine shelf. If there's something you don't want anymore, you would just, let's look at the OK magazine. There's a little trash can on the bottom right. Just tap on that, select Delete. If you need any help, just stop by the library. We're in room 206 at the NMSU Carlsbad campus. Thank you.